Hello, students. Good morning. What day is today? What day is today? Oh, great job. Please write today is in your English notebook. What's the weather like outside? What's the weather like outside? Great job! Please write the weather in your English notebook. I feel happy today. I feel happy. How are you? How do you feel? Please write I feel in your English notebook. All right, students, we're talking about prepositions and bedroom furniture. Can you think of any bedroom furniture words? Please write the bedroom furniture words in your English notebook. Okay, after, I'd like for you to complete the furniture worksheet. Please complete the furniture worksheet and listen to a song about prepositions. This is a very beautiful song, and I think you will like it. Please listen to the preposition song and tell me if you like it. All right, students, see you next time. Bye-bye.